gar loose.
We
Let's see
got
the
a
gar
gar.
loose. See.
Okay, don't get in front of it. Don't get in
my
the
God.
side. Because then it's just going to break free. And then
Aw,
it's going to come up, bite someone's pole.
they're really pretty, actually.
Just kidding, it won't bite your face off.
She's like the lion tamer. Get back.
Look at poke her eye out because it has that.
It is really pretty.
It's got a mouth like an alligator.
Hey, Dad.
Lucy, what do you think about
Let's
this?
cook it.
To be honest, I don't know what I'm going to do.
Why?
Can't do it.
Cut the line.
Are you afraid of it?
Kick it. Yeah. Dude.
Why'd you do that? Careful.
Wow. It wants a piece of you,
Well,
Bran.
now I got it. Now I got to get him because he's got the string wrapped around his mouth, so he'll never be able to eat again. It'll die
Yeah,
if we don't cut that off.
right.
So, you got to put that out of your mind.
Oh, oh.
This thing is hard.
You want me to?
Like dense? Yeah. Wow.
How about we cut off his long thing?
Oh,
Cut off his long thing,
Don't
right?
make it bite
Hold on. Hold on. Let me get you the
the
pliers.
long
Where's the
thing.
pliers?
I've got a lot of girls who've wanted to do that to me over there.
Oh, good one.
we have this on video.
Oh.
He's admitting it.
Well, I'm glad they didn't do that.
He's admitting it.
Oh my God,
So-
I didn't catch that.
What's going on, Addison?
I would.
You're gonna have to. What do you want me to do with that? I have two hands, not three.
Oh my God, you want me to do this?
Well,
Yes.
for one, you're gonna have to cut it first.
Hey,
Well, that doesn't have.
Videotaping this. Be nice.
we're fighting.
What is it, Lucy?
Line off.
Something wrong? Do you want to eat it?
No way. Oh, he's looking at me.
Now grab the
Hey,
end
watch
of the
your leg.
line.
He's like, that's your nana. That's
Google it.
smart. Hey, Dad.
Unhook the gar without losing your finger. No. Grab the line and just unwrap it around its mouth. The end of the line over here. There you go.
He's looking at me. That's so creepy.
Ooh!
Oh my gosh!
They're very hard and slippery.
I was right there and he kept going through me. Stop it. Scared me. Oh my gosh! He's stepping. He's
I'm putting you back
stepping.
in if you just
He's making his way there.
give him a
Well,
foot nudge.
kind of. Give him a foot nudge.
Give him a punt nudge.
Whoa!
Yay! He conquered the gar. That's the one that got off my line.
No, I think the one that got off your line was a lot bigger than that.
Yep. Yes, it was.
Dad.
Careful, bud. Don't
Bye-bye.
And that's